Okay, hey everyone. So today I'm doing a look that I already did. I put it on my TikTok. One of my favorite people in the world commented. If I cannot put her username right here. Literally love her. And she wanted me to teach her how to do the look. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to do the look. I use the James Charles palette. Yeah, so I'm gonna put like the picture. I don't know if I'm gonna put the picture up, to be honest. But I'll like put the picture up and show you what it looks like. I already did my base just because I feel like this video is gonna be really long if I don't. But yeah, also I'm gonna like focus on like putting my eyelashes on because one of my homegirls, KJ, wanted me to do that. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so I lost the little thing that tells me what shade is which. But basically, I'm gonna do the four colors right. I'm sorry. These four colors. I can't really do this, but you know what I'm talking about. These like pinks and purples. Can you see? This TikTok. So, get to figure out how to do this look again. I think I know how to do it. So I go in with the darkest shade. I tap it. And then we go in the inner corner because we're gonna like cut the crease. So you're gonna want to take the darker shades and just plop them down. So you just like do that, and then we're gonna take the really hot pink from the palette and we're gonna blend it in. We're gonna take some concealer and then we're gonna cut the crease. You also have to watch Tell You How Lazy You Are because I be hitting the gym every day, right, during the work week. And it tells me how proud it is. But when I don't be hitting the gym on the weekends, y'all, they definitely be reminding me. I don't know why I'm trying to do it with big hair when I can just pull this out. It definitely be reminding me that I don't be working out all the time. And it calls me like the laziest this morning. It says it's 9 a.m. and you only walked 3 steps. Yeah, it says I just woke up. Like, she's so rude. Some call it motivation. I call it disrespect. When I said my phone be drier than the Sahara, I'm not joking. Period. I don't know where all this energy is coming from. Now I took it further out than I did the first time. Then there's like a creamish shade in the James Charles palette, and we're just gonna set this part with it. And then I believe I did a hot pink wing as a baby should. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. She's losing it up here, guys. So I'm gonna take the darkest purple and kind of just like, you know, wing it out. Then we're gonna go in with the pinks. So cute. I'm using like this kind of like pencil-y brush. I would use like an angled brush for this, but it's dirty. I don't want to mess up the look. Oh, she gotta get cleaned up. Okay, so the hard part is coming up, which is gonna be the little like squiggles, and I don't really make them look like too much. So I'm gonna take the two purples. Put that there, and I'm gonna take the hot pink. And then if you want to like clean it up, I'm very like careful, and I go in with like the same concealer brush. Just, like, feel like I need it. So now it's time for the glitter. So it comes with this like little glue, and then I just take this like flat brush and put the glue right here, because I'm going to focus it just on the inner part. But the big ones are just so much, you know what I mean? Okay. Like, it's just so chunky to me. But it's cute, like, it's cute. And then I'm just using this little brush and like brush off what's like too much. It's hard because it's like so much. Cute. Okay, so I'm using these House of Lashes. Cute little set. Pair of lashes. They're the Boudoir. The Boudoir lashes, and I'm using the House of Lashes lash glue, which my friend actually told me about this, and she was like, oh my god, it's so much better than Duo. And I have to agree. It doesn't take as long to set or anything. Cause I don't like waiting for it to. And I put it on, right? And I leave it alone for like a couple seconds. Dry. On. Don't ever have to mess with it again. So I take it with my hand and I just line it up to my lash line because you want it to get as close to the lash line as possible. And I stick the middle first, and then I go to the end, and then I go over to the inner corner and then stick that on. And you just play with it until it fits your eye the way you want it to fit your eye. And there you go. It's on. Okay, and then I just take one of these Smashbox brushes, and then I go in with the dark purple and I just go in with the eye. Ooh. And then I take the hot pink and just bring it down. Okay, and then I put on powder on my eyes so like no fallout happen. And I'm just gonna spray with my Mario Badescu to set that powder. Okay, and for my lips, I'm gonna put on this NYX Lip Tease Lip Liqueur. Yeah, lacquer. I don't know, and Strawberry Whip. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna put that on my lips. We're gonna let that dry and then we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm taking my Voluminous Original Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. Just going. I'm just gonna take some concealer. I'm gonna take this lip gel that my friend's little sister gave me. She was so cute. I didn't make up. But yeah, just to get a little shine. Oh, it's 222, y'all. We love the good angels. But yes, this is the final look. I hope you recreate it. I hope you enjoyed. I might do another like more in-depth how to put lashes on with different kind of lashes and with tweezers. But this was a little quick one. Please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for reminders when I post because I know it's so sporadic. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.